Anak, wala man na may papasukan mo para lang sa senior ay.
Di pa po tay, wala pa po akong naisip na magandang eskwelahan eh.
Sa pagkakaalam ko, malapit na entrance exam, maganda ka na.
One Liwag Memorial High School Senior High School offers an exceptional learning environment, fostering both academic excellence and personal growth. With dedicated faculty and state-of-the-art facilities, is where the students thrive and their future are shaped.
Ready to pioneer the future? Choose STEM strand at One Liwag Memorial High School Senior High School. Dive into the world of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Whether you aspire to be an engineer, scientist, programmer, mathematician, or researcher, STEM offers a myriad of career paths at the forefront of innovation. Unleash your potential and shape the tomorrow's world with us.
Forge your path to success with the ABM strand. Dive into the world of accountancy, business, and management. ABM equips you with financial literacy and strategic thinking needed in today's competitive landscape. Join us and transform your aspirations into achievements.
Or discover the power of perspective with the Jung strand. Delve into humanities, social sciences, exploring cultures, histories, and societal dynamics, whether aspiring to be historians, psychologists, journalists, or social workers or educators. Embrace the richness of humanity and chart your path to understanding your limits.
Explore technical vocational livelihood tracks in various trades, whether pursuing careers as technicians, carpenters, chefs, and automotive technicians. TPL empowers you with an alert expertise. Start building your future here with us.
At One Liwag Memorial High School, Senior High School, we always make sure that our campus looks nice and clean. We have a team of dedicated dogs to clean the place regularly.
We asked the top students representing various departments: Kylene May Fernando from STEM, Jester Manalo from UNS, Alexa Eunice Rivera from ABM, and Jessa Sofia de la Cruz from EDM, on how One Liwag Memorial High School Senior High School helped them as a student, and this is what they said.
Yun yung mga thoughts ko and also lessons na natutunan ko within our school na dapat hindi lang tayo umiikot sa apat na sulok ng ating institusyon, mas lalo dapat tayong umikot sa labas ng ating institusyon dahil madaming nangangailangan ng tulong natin. And bilang isang estudyante and sa ating mga student leader, dapat makiisa tayo sa kung ano yung kinakailangan ng komunidad natin.
One Liwag Memorial High School has molded me to become the person I am today. I could say the school is one of the biggest factors that helped me a lot in discovering myself. It brought me new opportunities that helped me in developing, enhancing, and applying my skills and capabilities. So to those incoming grade 11 students, the comments and image of this school to other people could be scary sometimes. I understand that because I was once that scared graduating junior high school student. But now, I am almost at the finish line. So never be afraid to enter a school that will offer you not just quality education, but as well as memories you will keep on your hearts and minds.
As a student in One Liwag Memorial High School, sobrang nabuild yung confident ko as YM. Sobrang dami kong natutunan at naging realization sa buhay. Ang akala ko noon na pag pumasok ka, ayos na kahit hindi nakikinig sa mestra, pero hindi pala. Dahil pagtungtong ko ng grade 11, sinabi ko talaga sa sarili ko na kaya ko at kakayanin pa yung mga pagsubok at hamon sa buhay. Hindi ako nagpadaig sa takot o pangamba na hindi ko kayang makipagsabayan sa iba. But look me now, naprove ko sa sarili ko na sobrang laki talaga na improvement when it comes sa edukasyon. Dahil nabuild ako ng mga instructors ko sa Liwag to become a better person and to fight sa lahat ng bagay kahit mahirap. Kaya advice ko sa future grade 11 student ng One Liwag Memorial High School na huwag panghihinaan ng loob at gawing positibo ang lahat ng bagay. Kung ano man ang piliin yung strand, be confident kasi yan ang gusto at pangarap nyo. So, give our 100%.
So what are you waiting for?
Choose One Liwag Memorial High School Senior High School.
To receive further updates, kindly text JRLMHS space Senior High School space ABM space HUMS space STEM space TVL space. Pero kung hindi ka pa handa, space, okay lang, space. Ganun siguro talaga ang buhay. Sabi nga nila, bilog ang mundo at square ang bintana. Pero sa bawat nagsasarang pinto ay may bumubukas na oportunidad, diba? Space. Pero wala ka talagang choice. Space. Magsi-senior high school ka sa ayaw at gusto mo. Space. Fire emoji. Fire emoji. Fire emoji. Space. Thank you for the rose. Thank you for the rose. Space. Fire. At i-text sa 2366.
Ang mahusay ay sigaw.